Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education.
In this video, I am going to share latest job openings in Chandigarh location. Let us see what are the job openings in detail. Firstly, there is a job opening available in 11x in Fisol. They are looking for a digital marketing executive. Coming to the responsibilities for this job role, they would be like stay updated on current industry developments and generate new content or campaign ideas, strategize and lead their entire marketing efforts including SMM, SEO, email marketing, affiliate marketing, paid advertisement, content and PR, and keep pace with the SEO, social media and internet marketing industry trends and development. These are the job responsibilities. Coming to the requirements for this job role, they should be like search engine optimization, software product companies, and knowledge of PPC, create social media strategies, and email marketing. These are the requirements for this job role. Coming to the educational qualifications, they would be like 1 to 2 years plus experience in digital marketing, preferably for software companies. And the candidates should have BTech or MCA or MBA or master's degree, and working days will be Monday to Saturday. These are the educational qualifications for the desired candidates. Interested candidates can apply for this job role by the link provided in the description. Coming to the next one, there is a job opening available in Arav Infotech India Private Limited. They are looking for information technology project coordinator. Coming to the key responsibilities for this job role, analyze project requirements and identify the products and personnel required to complete respective projects, determine project priorities and ascertain which projects are most essential to the business on it and allocate resources based on project priorities, and receive regular updates from all staff assigned to various projects and analyze these updates to identify potential problems that may keep projects from being completed on time and within budget, that is assess project risks and issues and provide solutions where applicable. And coming to the key requirements for this job role, the candidates should have a degree in computer science, information technology or another related technical field is preferred. Additional certifications in project management, agile and lean practices or techniques are preferred. And the candidates should have typically 2 to 3 years of IT operations experience is required, and the candidates should have a excellent oral and written communication skills to effectively communicate across teams, customers and specified project designers or developers, and experience in project management, product or service quality and in agile or lean practices, and exceptional analytical, statistical, quantitative and deductive reasoning skills are required. These are the requirements for this job role. Interested candidates can apply for this job role by the link provided in the description. Coming to the next one, there is a job opening available in Kalinguro. They are looking for business development associate. Coming to the roles and responsibilities, they should be like business development in Bihar, Jharkhand and Odisha, students counseling or call, suggesting innovative ideas to enhance business, maintain excellent coordination with existing partner, responding to business queries and strong subsequent follow-ups. And coming to the experience required, the candidates should have experience in any sales, marketing work experience with the proof is needed. And coming to the skills required for the candidate, and the candidates should have skills in business communication skills and impactful knowledge of marketing and must know Hindi and English. These are the skills required for the desired candidate. Interested candidates can apply for this job role by the link provided in the description. Coming to the next one, there is a job opening available in Nokia. it is looking for design and planning specialist. Coming to the key responsibilities for this job role, they would be like work on optimization of core network including SPC, TAS, CFX, routers, cloud, IP nodes, etc. 4G old and LTE network with call flow and protocols used. End-to-end coordination of IMS network SBC such as handling of call related issue of IMS at the SBC level and coordination with a hub location for analysis at TAS or CFX, and focus on customer presentation, customer communication, customer interaction and negotiation, guideline publishing, and share regular reports or updates. And coming to the skills and experience required, the candidates should have 7 years of relevant experience and detailed understanding and expertise in core network including SBC, TAS, CFX, routers, cloud, IP nodes, various SIP, 3GPP standards, signaling protocols, standard call flows used in various technologies like 4G, OLT, IMS, voice over Wi-Fi and fixed line over IMS, etc., and related message tracking and understanding of parameters and analysis. These are the these are the skills required for this job role, along with the working knowledge of Linux and Unix. These are the skills and experience required. Interested candidates can apply for this job role by the link provided in the description. Coming to the next one, there is a job opening available in People Capital Consulting Private Limited. They are looking for career counselor. Coming to the desired candidate profile, like target orientation, enthusiasm and the ability to work under pressure, assertive and convincing, and willingness in career counseling like in education, training and admission, and excellent communication and analytical and negotiation skills are required, along with good interpersonal skills. These are the desired candidate profile. And coming to the experience required, like the candidates should have 4 years of experience required, or else freshers also can apply. Coming to the salary, it would be 30% hike on current CTC. Coming to the qualifications required, they should be like BBA or BCA or BSc or BCom or BA or MSc or MCom or MA, BE or BTech or MTech or MSc or MBA. Freshers can also apply. Interested candidates can apply for this job role by the link provided in the description. Coming to the next one, there is a job opening available in Azrex Health Tech Private Limited. They are looking for senior human resources specialist. Coming to the required candidate profile, this position manages all employees of a particular function and is responsible for the hiring, performance management, L&D within that function, and well versed with MS Excel and MS Office tools, strong problem solving skills, ability to make independent decisions, manage conflicting priorities in a fast-paced environment, coordination between various stakeholders, and should be willing to travel to all site locations. This is about the required candidate profile. Coming to the education required for the candidate, like it would be UG or PG or doctorate in any specialization is required. Interested candidates can apply for this job role by the link provided in the description. Coming to the next one, there is a job opening available in Levenix Infisol. They are looking for business development executive. Coming to the roles and responsibilities, identifying, qualifying and securing business opportunities, coordinating business generation activities, developing customized target sales strategies, building business relationships with current and potential clients, meeting all quotas for cold, active, inactive calls, appointments and interviews, meeting or exceeding annual sales goals. Coming to the eligibility for this job role, they should be like the candidates should have 1 to 2 years of extensive sales experience in a relevant field is required, excellent verbal and written communication skills, the ability to call, connect and interact with potential customers, strong organization and project management skills, proficient in Microsoft Office and relevant software, and experience with lead generation and prospect management. This is the eligibility for the desired candidate. Coming to the qualifications, any graduate or equivalent or any master's degree or equivalent is preferred. Interested candidates can apply for this job role by the link provided in the description. Coming to the next one, there is a job opening available in Consulting Services LLC, and it is recruiting US IT recruiter, and it is a night shift. Coming to the job description, it would be developing and administrating human resources plans and procedures that relate to company personnel, planning, organizing, and controlling the activities and actions of the HR department, contributing to the development of HR department goals, objectives, and systems. And coming to the job responsibilities, implementing and revising a company's compensation program, creating and revising job descriptions, conducting annual salary surveys, developing, analyzing, and updating the company's salary budget, developing, analyzing, and updating the company's evaluation program, developing, revising, and recommending personal policies and procedures, maintaining and revising the company's handbook on policies and procedures, performing benefits administration, maintaining affirmative action programs. These are the job responsibilities. Interested candidates can apply for this job role by the link provided in the description. Coming to the last one, there is a job opening available in emovement.in. They are looking for PHP developer. Coming to the skills required for this job role, like proven software development experience in PHP, understanding of open source projects like Joomla, Drupal, Wikis, OSCommerce, etc., demonstrable knowledge of web technologies including HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Ajax, etc., and good knowledge of SSH, GIT, and relational database version control tools and of developing web services, and experience in common third-party APIs like Google, Facebook, eBay, etc. Passion for best design and coding practices and a desire to develop new bold ideas. And the candidates should be BS or MS degree in computer science and engineering or a related subject is preferred. Interested candidates can apply for this job role by the link provided in the description. That's it in this video, guys. If you like the video, please like, share to your friends and family members who are in need of job. And if you have any queries, please comment in the comment section. And please encourage us to do more videos in your location. Thank you for watching the video.